Yeah, hi there. Okay, so I'm looking for someone that's an expert in scraping data off this particular website, which is experts.expcloud.com as one. This is realtor information. You basically type in state by state in America and you click search and you get pages and pages worth of realtor contact. And some of these are also linkable. And I would love to get all of this into a Google Sheet broken down into separate columns looking like the following. And so this is what kind of tentatively the initial list will look like. All right, I'll just make this bold and give it a little color for you guys for it to pop. All right, so you want first name, last name, phone number, email, city, state, zip, and if we can also add, the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, any kind of social media links here, as well as this expert details. These are all links. So if you click on this and you click on this, you click on this, you get all this information. Ideally, if we can get, the rest of this info, so we got the email, the number, if we can get this web address, that would be great, and pop this in. We can put this in here as website, right? And then let's go back. We got the LinkedIn. Type in LinkedIn, put that here, and we can get the Facebook. We'll put that in here. And let's see. Um, you have an About Us, which basically you can take all of this and dump this also in a thing. Okay. And what else do we got here? And then these expert areas, if we can get all of this and dump it into one like this and go back and get this expert areas. Expert areas, we get bio, and then let's add also, I think there's a Twitter here, right? In this case. Boom. So we got Twitter. And if there's other social media outlets, then so be it. But this would be for me a complete uh, list, right? We got first name, last name, phone, email, city, state, zip, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, bio, and expert areas. I need this to be done for all of these and all the pages, state by state, all over the United States. Okay? If you can get this to me, that would be amazing, so that I can execute this work with you. I'm not looking for any manual work. I only want people that are um, know how to automate using code or using some kind of scraping tool, but no manual work. If you're trying to do this manually, need not apply. This is not for you. If you know how, if you have a tool or a scraping tool to pull this data, then I'm interested in you doing this for me. There should be somewhere around 50, 60,000 records to scrape from here. There's also one more website, which we can do another sheet on, which is expcommercial.com/experts. And this could be a different page. This pretty much just has all the records in one place, but here you would put in, instead of just putting city, state, zip, you can also put in the address in a separate column and the name of the company here, which could be, so it look like this, and I'll duplicate this to make this simple. Make a copy, eXp Realtor list, ELT commercial. Okay, and we'll duplicate this. And I'm going to take this And I'm going to add, maybe put here a little company name. All right, I'll take this and I'll dump this in company. And I'll take this and I'll make another street address, another street, and we'll put that there. Dump in city, state, right? Boom, and go back at the rest. So if you click on view profile, it does a great job. It just takes the whole thing. You get the name, the biographies here, the email, the cell phone, which is really what I care about, is more than anything is a cell phone number. So for both lists, I'll dump that in there, and we'll dump in. There's his LinkedIn, and no, we don't need this. We don't need this, and we're gonna get their LinkedIn, Twitter, email, bio, and the Twitter. Okay, that's not a good one. And let's go to this. We got it. Great. So that would be a record, right? And that's an example of this commercial site for their commercial website. Boom, boom. All right, so you have this website, which is one, and you have the other website, which was experts.exp cloud. This, you got to go state by state. This is pretty much just one giant list that's got to get scraped from, I think it's 140, or is it 449 records here, right? Going through this list. So that's the job. I need a quote. Again, no manual labor, has to be automated, has to be done within a few days, very quickly, clean, organized, and systematic. So it's cost effective and to the point. Thank you.